Hello, this is Sandra Silva-Cisneros, your online Spanish teacher. I just wanted to say hello and welcome you to Spanish 101 online class. This is going to be a very exciting and fun class in which you will be able to practice your Spanish orally and in written format, in audio format as well. I know Spanish is a challenge for all of us. It's a foreign language in which we don't practice it on a daily basis. And so in this online class, you will get to hear it via audio, videos, and you also get to practice it. You'll be like, as you can see, I'm recording my voice and myself, and you also have the opportunity to record your voice and record yourself and share it with your classmates. It's going to be a fun class. And again, you're welcome to contact me anytime you need more assistance. We will also be doing on live video conferencing in which if you have any questions, you're welcome to ask them then and there. And we'll also be having lots of live discussions online in which we will be sharing our thoughts, our minds, our questions, and our suggestions. Again, once again, I want to welcome you to Spanish 101, and let's have a wonderful semester. Have fun. Enjoy.